Hi guys, welcome back to Piece of Mastery. Today we are going to talk about how to place a text behind any object that in Photoshop. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Select and ready your image and select the text tool and type what you want and transform the text by pressing Ctrl T and place what you want to make behind the object. And now rasterize, or you can work with the clipping mask also, but if you don't know how to work with the clipping mask, that's fine, and we just select the rasterize type and select the opacity 60 or something, that's fine, and use pen tool for cut the area overlapped by the text like this. Now cut all the area overlapped by text. Make opacity 100 and change the color of the text by matching the color of the image, and that's how it's done. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.